It's Friday and we've just arrived at the Mountune tuning factory because this week's winner has won an incredible car, a brand new Ford Focus ST M330. It's got 330 horsepower. This one is about to go through the transformation. The winner is Fraser Millar. I've got his number on my phone. Let's give him a call and give him the good news. He's this week's midweek car competition winner. Come on, is that Fraser?
I've literally just got out of my bed. How are you?
I'm very well, how are you?
Hannah, this guy's for the cars phoning me.
Fraser, how you doing?
Oh, no way.
How's your Friday going?
Well, it's Friday the 13th. My girlfriend woke up and goes, I wonder what's going to happen today.
Well, yeah, I mean, I don't know, are you a superstitious guy?
Not really, no. Last night, Scotland won the football.
Is your partner there as well?
Yeah, she's here. Did you know anything about this?
No, honestly, my phone's downstairs.
Oh, no way.
We didn't phone any surprise contact, Fraser. We came straight to you as we're doing video calls at the moment, all trying to stay safe, etc, etc. Fraser, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner of the midweek car competition. You've won a brand new Mountune Focus M330.
No way. That's class. That is absolutely stunning.
So this is the brand new ST, tuned by Mountune to 330 brake horsepower. We're actually here in the workshop at the moment where they're working on all the cars. This car in front of me is about to go through its transformation. We can obviously buy you a brand new one in whatever colour you'd like, and we can get the Mountune kit put on it. So you'll get the incredible wheels that come with it, you'll get the Mountune graphics down the side, and most importantly, 330 brake horsepower straight into that engine. So here we are in the brand new Focus, which I have to say is a bit of an upgrade to the last one.
Smart.
Isn't it really smart? And you get these amazing ST bucket seats as well, which are so comfortable. Got the new entertainment system here in front, all your climate control and everything down there. Very important, manual gearbox. So it's an absolute, it's a joy to drive.
Yeah, there you go. Ups and downs. Oh, you've made my year. That's just unreal. Unreal, totally unreal.
Well, the fun, however, does not stop there. Let's go to the back of the car.
Oh, yeah.
Not only have you won a brand new Focus ST Mountune edition, you've also won £10,000.
Oh, God. Brilliant. Oh. I'll go towards speccing that car up.
Well, Fraser, congratulations. It's a fantastic car and £10,000 as well, all yours.
Thanks a lot for running the competition. That's brilliant. And hopefully see you when we go pick the car up.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. As soon as we order the car and you come for the collection, that will obviously, hopefully be after lockdown. We can come and meet in person and we'll do the handover.
No problem, Christian. Thank you very much for that. That's brilliant.
Absolutely,
Cheers.
Our pleasure. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers, Fraser. Cheers, bye. Massive congratulations once again to Fraser Millar, winning not only a brand new Mountune Focus ST M330, but also £10,000. Now, don't forget, as part of our dream car competition this week, you could be winning your dream car and £50,000. Make sure you enter the dream car competition before Sunday night at midnight, and as always, we'll be announcing that winner on Tuesday. Best of luck and have a great weekend.